Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Enriani. In this video, I will explain about form and function. Okay, for the definition, the term form in the philosophy of language typically refers to the structural aspect of language, which can include the first is syntax. Syntax, the rules and principles that govern the structure of sentences. This involves how words are combined to inform grammatically correct sentences. Second is semantics, the study of meaning in language. This includes how words, phrases, and sentences convey meaning. The third is morphology, the study of the internal structure of words, including the formation of words through prefixes, suffixes, and root words. The fourth is phonology, the study of the sound system of a language, including the rules of combining sounds. And the last is pragmatics, the study of how context influences the interpretation of meaning. This includes how speakers use language in different contexts to achieve specific effects or perform sentence action. And for the function of language refers to the purposes language serves in communication and social interaction. These functions can be include communicative function, referential function, expressive function, pathetic function, directive function, poetic function, and metalinguistic function. And for interaction between form and function, in the philosophy of language, there is significant interest in how form and function interact. For example, the structure of a sentence or form can affect its meaning or function, and the intended meaning or function can influence the choice of words and their arrangement or form. Pragmatics, in particular, studies this interaction by examining how context and speaker intention influence the use and interpretation of language. And for application in real-world scenarios, the first is for education. For education such as language teachings, understanding syntax, semantics, and pragmatics helps educators teach grammar, vocabulary, and effective communication skills. And for literacy development, knowledge of morphology and phonology aids in developing reading and writing skills, particularly in early childhood education. And for technology such as natural language processing or NLP, form and function are critical in developing algorithms for language processing tasks like translation, sentiment analysis, and speech recognition. And for chatbots and virtual assistants, effective communication by this system relies on understanding syntax or form and pragmatics or function to interpret and respond to user queries accurately. And for communication, such as interpersonal communication, awareness of the expressive, directive, and pathetic function help individuals communicate more effectively in personal and professional settings. And for cross-cultural communication, understanding referential and pragmatic differences between languages can improve interactions in multicultural contexts. And law and politics, for legal language, precision in language form, syntax, and semantics is crucial for drafting clear and unambiguous legal documents. And for political discourse, politicians use language functions to persuade, inform, and connect with the public, often employing rhetorical devices and pragmatic strategies. And for marketing and advertising messages, crafting persuasive advertisement relies on the poetic function, aesthetic use of language, and the directive function influencing consumer behavior. And for brand communication, effective brand messaging uses referential and expressive function to convey brand values and connect with the audience. And for healthcare, such as doctor-patient communication, clear communication using proper form, such as syntax and semantics, ensure accurate diagnosis and treatment, while understanding pragmatic nuances can improve patient relationship. And for therapeutic language, therapists use language to express empathy, provide directives, and establish a rapport, leveraging different functions of language. And for social media and online communication, such as content moderation, NLP algorithm analyze language form and function to detect harmful content and enforce community guidance. And for user interaction, understanding the poetic function can enhance user engagement on social media platforms by fostering a sense of community. And for a conclusion, understanding both form and function is crucial for a comprehensive analysis of language, as it allows philosophers and linguists to explore not only how language is constructed, but also how it is used and understood in various contexts. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video. Bye bye.